Again, this is our day 2, and in today's lecture we will discuss about platform dependency in Java, and also we will mention what is difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. So let's start our first topic. What is platform dependency in Java? In previous lecture we have already discussed about what is a platform. So Java is also a platform. Okay, so a platform is a hardware or a software environment in which a program runs. Now a question arises, what is platform dependency in Java programming, guys? Programming language like C or C++ are platform dependent language, but Java is a platform independent language. So suppose in a C programming, when you write a C program, this is our source code, and that source code will convert it into a machine code by a C compiler. And here that C compiler depends on the operating system. If you have a Windows operating system, then our C compiler converts our source code into a .exe file. Okay, so but here in Java, when you write a Java program, the file extension of that source code is .java, and our Java compiler, that is Java C, converts our source code into a bytecode, that is a dot class file. And this dot class file is an intermediate code that will only understand by JVM. Okay, so JVM is the heart of Java programming, that is known as Java Virtual Machine. So it interprets line by line our bytecode and converts that bytecode into a .exe file or .dmg file, depends on operating system. So here our JVM is a platform dependent, okay, but our Java is a platform independent programming language. So now let's talk about some few important terms, that is JDK, JRE and JVM. So what is JDK? That is Java Development Kit, JRE Java Runtime Environment, and JVM Java Virtual Machine. Let's first talk about JVM, guys. So JVM is heart of Java programming. As we all aware, when we compile a Java file, output is not a .exe file, but it's a .class file. It consists of Java bytecode. Now, a JVM, that is our Java Virtual Machine, interprets the bytecode into the machine code depending upon the underlying operating system and a hardware combination. Now, here you can see that how a Java application will convert it into a machine code with the help of JVM. For every Java application, an instance of JVM is created. So it is an intermediate for Java application and operating system. So what is a lifetime of a JVM, guys? Okay, sorry for here I have written two times JVM. Okay, so now when a Java application it starts, also a runtime instance of JVM is created. When the application completes, the instance terminates. So if you start three Java application at the same time on the same computer, you will get three Java virtual machine instances running. Okay, and each Java application run inside the its own Java virtual machine. Now let's talk about another important term, that is JRE, that is our Java Runtime Environment. So Java Runtime Environment contains JVM, also some classes of libraries, that is class libraries and other supporting files. It does not contain any development tools such as compiler debugger. Actually, JVM runs the Java program and it uses the class libraries and other supporting files provided in Java runtime environment. You can see here we have JVM inside our JRE and other supporting files like rt.app and other files. Now let's talk about JDK, Java Development Kit. So it's a software development tool. Okay, so Java Development Kit. provide all necessary tools to develop any Java application as well as runs it. So JDK consists some tools like Java compiler, Java debugger, and a Java runtime environment. So here you can see that JVM is inside our JRE and also some with some libraries, and JDK consists JRE and also some other development tools like compiler, debugger, and Java applet view. And thanks for watching. If you like the video on Java programming, so please do subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends.